Tim and Shana. Punk rope. Boom. All right, you're probably wondering what in the world are we doing here? So, that is Shana in stockinged feet, no sneakers. You can see that with her 5mm classic punk rope. This one happens to be all white. And a balance beam, which is roughly, I'm going to say 4 inches wide and maybe 3 inches high. And then it has the beveled, I believe is the right word, beveled edges. Okay, so why in the world would we do this? Okay, for a couple of reasons. It's fun. But no, more importantly, proprioception. So because Shauna's not wearing sneakers, she can feel her feet on this surface for balance, for coordination. And the theory is that this would then carry over to some other activities. And whether that in fact is true or not, we don't have the data, but other people do. So the beam itself is, I want to say, 6 feet long. And so Shauna's been trying a few different steps. The jog step, well, kind of a jog run step, I guess you could call it.
Yeah.
Yeah. And, you know, she's been pretty consistent. She might miss one or two. It doesn't really matter. We just want to show you the concept. And then you might want to try this on your own. Now, not that you have a balance beam at home necessarily, but maybe, and of course be careful if you have any ankle issues or knee issues. This may not be the best choice. But maybe somewhere near you, maybe outdoors, there is some kind of a object.
Or like a tennis court or someplace, painted lines.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking lines or a curb.
Sidewalk chalk.
Yeah, so you could demarcate something yourself. The only thing is, because this is elevated, it really increases the challenge dramatically rather than a completely flat surface. But I think both are useful. So she's been doing this forward jog step, and she's been trying a scissors. Now the scissors is especially challenging because it's like walking a tightrope. You have to switch the position of the feet, and that is not easy to do. So that's an extra coordination challenge.
Have to jump higher than the jog.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, there you go.
Working on that one.
Yeah, no, that's pretty awesome. And the
I started doing this to help strengthen my feet more. You know, it's, you know, only so much rope jumping you want to do with your, I do wear the toe socks. There's a little bit of cushioning in case I hit my toes.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but toe socks are socks where each individual toe is isolated rather than the sock going around all 5 toes, if you have 5 toes.
I did it yesterday without toe socks. I'm not sure how much they necessarily help. They sometimes feel better.
Yeah. They're pretty cool. If you've never tried them, you might want to check those out. And the surface of the beam, this beam, is fairly soft, and it's squishy. It's got some give to it, which actually makes this even harder, right? So if it was really firm, and if it had a lot of traction, it would be a little less challenging. But it's not. It's soft.
On the third one, I start to lose it.
Yeah, but it's good. I mean, it's definitely a fun little drill, something to think about, especially if you can do this indoors. It is August. It's been hot and it's been humid here anyway in New York. I'm not sure where you guys are, but just another fun little drill to play with, to add to your arsenal. And we will keep trying to come up with some different wacky concepts that you can check out. And if you have suggestions for us, please just, jot them down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And feel free to subscribe to our channel. And if you do ask a question, we'll get to it as quickly as we can. We're pretty fast. Okay, guys? All right. Thanks for joining us. Balance beam, jump rope, Shana from Punk Rope, and Tim. Okay, see you next time. Bye, guys.